Mama's Cucina. I'm Joanne.
I'm Kelly.
And I'm Jackie.
And now we're getting into dinner makeovers. We're taking typical dinners that you have that are easy to make usually, and we're turning them into Greek style. So today, Jackie, what do you think we're going to do today?
So today we're making what we like to call our Greek hamburger, which is a bifteki. And what makes it Greek is the fact that we use the herbs that we use and the spices and seasonings that we like to put in them. So
a whole bunch of different flavorings.
So we're going to turn the biftekia into sliders. So we're going to show you how to make them, put them together, and then when you come back next time, we're going to show you how to fill them. And yes, I said fill them. They've got filling in them, and they're absolutely awesome once you cook them, and they get so gooey on the inside. So let's get started.
So here we have just some ground meat.
And you can use lamb, which is typically Greek, or you can use beef or pork, or you can do a mixture of the three.
Sometimes we like to use a mixture, but
You
today,
can even do ground chicken if you
yeah,
want to
if
stay
you want
lean.
to stay lean, you could use ground chicken or ground turkey.
And what makes it Greek is what goes in it.
Right.
So we're going to start with some olive oil.
Okay, mix that in. Just let it get absorbed before you put anything else in. Okay, that's nice.
And then we're going to go for the lemon juice.
Okay.
And always use fresh squeezed. It tastes the best.
Okay, and that's just about mixed in. What else do we need to put in there, Jackie?
So then we're going to put in some freshly chopped parsley.
Love freshly chopped parsley.
We always have parsley in our refrigerator, and I can't remember one time when Kukla didn't have it waiting for something that she was going to cook up, either that day or the next day.
Awesome. Okay.
And if you go to our website, to our blog, this week's blog, we're going to have the recipe for how to put together these biftekia. So now we're going to add a little bit of salt.
Sea salt.
Sea salt, always sea salt. Let's do a little bit of pepper in there.
The bottom.
The bottom. There you go.
Don't know how to use pepper.
No, mine goes from the top. Okay, so we got some pepper in there.
And we're gonna put some garlic and some oregano.
You can do fresh garlic or you can use powdered. Whatever you have
Powdered
on
seems
hand.
to be a little bit easier when you're working with any kind of a ground meat because it mixes in a little bit better.
A little bit of oregano.
A little oregano. You could also use fresh oregano.
Or you can use basil, whatever you like.
We like oregano because oregano is very typical Greek.
And also Greek oregano
Yes.
is the best one you can find. So once you have all the ingredients mixed in, you're going to be forming them into biftekia sliders, which are little mini biftekia.
Okay, so let's form these. Right.
And the reason why we're using a spoon is the less you handle them with your hands, the better, because if you overhandle them, they get tough. The meat gets dry and it gets very tight. Your hands have natural warmth to them, and it's best to limit the hands-on experience. So now Joanne will form them. And from this mixture, we can make about 4 biftekia.
It's kind of like making burrata again. But bigger. If you don't press them down too much, they come out nice and fluffy. Get all that delicious meat. And there you have 4 sliders. There we go.
There you go. So we will see you next time when we'll fill them with something really, really good.
Tune in next time.
Kali orexi.
Kali orexi.